In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the button color on your Weebly website. Now, if you're looking to give your website a fresh new look, or perhaps make it more consistent with your brand's colors, altering button colors can make a significant visual impact. You might think this is a task best left for web developers, but with Weebly's user-friendly interface, you'll find it's actually quite straightforward. Let's dive in and I'll guide you through each step. First things first, you'll want to head on over to the Weebly site editor. You can get there by logging into your Weebly account and selecting the website you want to edit. Once you're in the site editor, your page should display a familiar layout with various elements you can customize. It's always handy to have your site's colors in mind as we go through this process. Maybe jot down your brand's color palette if that helps. With the editor open, the next step is to locate the button whose color you want to change. Click on that button. You can usually find these buttons on your homepage as calls to action or contact you prompts, among others. Clicking on the button will bring up its individual settings, giving you access to customize various properties about it. Now that you've clicked the button, you should see an option labeled Button Style. It's typically on the right hand side of the screen and pretty hard to miss. Go ahead and click on Button Style. This option is essentially your gateway to colors, fonts, and any other aesthetic elements specific to your button. It's worth noting that consistency is key here. You'll want any visual transitions to align with your overall design to maintain a polished look. Once you're in the button style settings, you'll find a selection of options to choose from. These might include default themes or custom colors, depending on how personalized your Weebly setup is. Browse through these selections and choose the button color that best suits your needs. Feel free to experiment with different color tones until you find the right match. This is where personalization really comes into play, allowing you to fine-tune the appearance to complement your overall website design. And there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you've changed the button color on your Weebly website. Make sure to save these changes before exiting to ensure they are applied correctly. Also, it's a good idea to preview your site to see how the new button color looks in context with the rest of your site. By understanding how to make these simple changes yourself, you can keep your website looking fresh and engaging, all while reinforcing brand consistency. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing for more straightforward guides like this one. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.